Hello everyone, welcome to the Viking Law channel graphics tutorial of how the Facebook logo was possibly created. In order to do that, we can just download the asset of the Facebook from the website over here. Just search over on Google Facebook branding and click on the first link you get on the Google, and from here just head over to F logo and click on I have read and accept the guidelines for use and click on download, and then you will get the assets needed to recreate or replicate the Facebook logo for yourself. So let's get started with the tutorial. To do that, first we need to take the colors from the asset. To do that, we will create two small rectangles or a square using the ellipse tool, and use the eyedropper tool to replicate the color from the asset. Then we'll use the ellipse tool to create a perfectly round circle using the original color of the Facebook logo. Then to replicate the F part of the Facebook logo, we'll use the rectangle tool, create a rectangle over this part and change it to white, and create another rectangle over this part. Select both and click on unite. To find the unite option for the shapes, you can just head over to window, then you can click on pathfinder. Here you will get all the shape modes and the pathfinders. And after uniting both the rectangles, we use the direct selection tool to select this anchor point and replicate the curve on top of the Facebook logo, and select this anchor point and also replicate this curve part of the Facebook logo. Now head back to normal mode by pressing Ctrl Y. And after we did this, let's just bring this F over here, and now we will use the rectangle tool again and create a rectangle over here to replicate the part of the logo. Now to create the slash effect, we'll use the direct selection tool, select this part of the rectangle, hold down shift and press left arrow key. So this gives the slashing effect which we need for this logo. Now we'll drag also this to the part which we replicated, select both, head over to pathfinder and click on unite again. So this is the Facebook logo which we recreated with reference to the original logo downloaded from the Facebook branding assets. To remove the extra part of the F, we'll select both the objects, select shape builder, hold on Alt and click on this extra part of the F. So this is it. This is how we recreate the original Facebook logo. Select both and group them so that you don't mess up the position of the logo. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next tutorial of how the branding icon of the Instagram was created. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to stay tuned for further videos. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye.